If you're a content creator on YouTube, especially if you're a new YouTuber or a small channel, then I will entreat you to watch this video just so you do not miss out on tips to get your YouTube shorts to the right audience and also boost the reach of your videos as well, especially as YouTube has updated its short policy going into the year 2025.
Virtual Giant, like and subscribe.
So I am the Virtual Giant, and on this channel, I bring to you tips and strategies that you can use to grow your YouTube channel, especially if you are a beginner like me. So if you're interested, there are a lot more content on my channel you can watch and then grow your channel as I also do mine. As a content creator on YouTube, you need to upload shorts the right way going into 2025 as YouTube has updated its short policy. Now, you need to understand that the original short format that we know is still in existence. That is the vertical format of aspect ratio 9:16. You understand? The one that fills up the entire screen of your phone. Yes, it is still in existence. However, there are two main additions that have been made to the YouTube short. And the first one is that the duration of the short video is no longer from 1 second to 1 minute or say 60 seconds. Now, YouTube is saying that you can shoot a short video from 1 second up to 3 minutes and it is still regarded as a short video. However, it must be in either of these, vertical format or the square format. Now, the square format is of ratio or aspect ratio of 1:1. You know what a square means. A square is a plane figure with equal sides. Like you're seeing here, that is the format YouTube is saying that your short videos can come in. So if you're a new YouTuber, if you're a content creator on YouTube and you want to explore with shorts, then you need to be mindful of the duration, one, and then the format in which your short videos will be recorded. As a creator, if you have tried this new shorts format and you are not seeing it in the short feed, you're not getting traffic to this shorts, no reach, no video, or all the metrics are zero, you need not to worry. YouTube acknowledges this fact because when it released the information that short policy has been updated, it added that it would need some time to update its systems because this is a new, format and stuff. They will need some time to gradually rope everything in so that your videos can start receiving traffic, can start receiving views and reach impression and whatever that you can term it. So you need to relax, give them some time so that they will do what they do best, and hopefully your videos get to go viral, get some views, subscribers, and hit the monetization mark. So this is all about the latest YouTube short update, and if you are a content creator on YouTube, make sure you explore with some of these formats and let's see how it goes. And short videos have the tendency of giving you more subscribers and more reach for your channel. Alright, so I will encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon, it's important, so that whenever I drop a new gig, you'll be the first to know. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.